Everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Rocket espresso machine here. It was just having issues with water pressure. I determined that it was the pump, so here's the old one, and I put a new one in there, and I found that it was leaking from the lever. Once I fixed the lever, the whole group had leaked. So these are the old springs and valves that I replaced. This is the vacuum release valve, which was also leaking. So I've had the machine on for about an hour and a half, just making sure everything's working good, and I'm going to pull a shot. I'd say that's just about good enough. Got some nice crema on there. Here's the steam. Nice strong steam. And the hot water. Alright, there you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. Thanks.